South Korea has reported 0 domestic coronavirus cases for the first time since February. The country reported 4 new infections, which were all imported. South Korea reported 1 new death, taking the total number of COVID-19 fatalities to 247. The total number of cases in the country is 10,765. South Korean health authorities also confirmed that no local transmission occurred from a parliamentary election held earlier this month, where authorities took several measures, including requiring voters to wear masks and plastic gloves when casting their ballots. The polls witnessed a high voter turnout despite this pandemic. Over 29 million people came out to cast their ballots on the 15th of April parliamentary elections. After grappling with the first major outbreak outside China, South Korea has largely managed to bring the outbreak under control without major disruptions, with a massive testing campaign and intensive contact tracing. Bruce Harrison had joined us earlier from Seoul. Let's listen in to what he said on what the factors were that helped South Korea flatten its coronavirus curve.
Exactly. This is an incredible development. You mentioned 0 new infections domestically. There was a total of 4 cases in the previous 24 hours. Those happened to be reported from the quarantine station at the Incheon International Airport. So international arrivals, no new domestically transmitted cases. And a lot of what they've done beyond the contact tracing, as well as treating, quarantine, quickly putting into quarantine of those positive patients, has been a vast and social distancing campaign. The government has reached out through different telecommunications providers here to send the public regular updates on where cases of the disease have popped up, reminders about social distancing practices, hygiene, mask wearing. It's in your face over here. You're constantly reminded about what you can do to make sure this virus doesn't spread further. It's really been a community effort, and the people here seem to trust their government. This country learned from the MERS outbreak. It learned to test quickly and test often here when it came to COVID-19. And the public health care system has been supporting the fight, and the people have a lot of trust in it. So they're listening to the government when it tells them what to do about how to prevent the spread, and I think that's been a big part of the success here.